Hey everyone, just getting to you here. I just got home, watched some, kind of relaxing here a little bit. Kind of thinking about summer a little bit of what I'm gonna do here. Well, next, actually, I was kind of thinking about getting myself a dirt bike to ride around on. Just, to heck with it. I was kind of thinking, I was thinking about getting a motocross bike. And, that's another thing that I want to do. To show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what it's like and what it's like to work on one. I'm probably make some tutorial videos about it and then throw them together, edit them together, or make separate videos, as I'm gathering all the, videos I need to throw it together. Yeah, so, and then I was also kind of thinking about working on cars and show you how to fix cars. Make a little another tutorial video. Make separate videos as much as I can. No. Make videos as much as I can and throw them together. And then and also, and I would also like to do is just work with wood and then make cutting knives and show you guys how to do that. And then I can make any kind of video you guys want me to make. Alright. As for right now, I would like to do ride around on a little motocross bike, alright? I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? See you.